Babasa lang ako ng chill na lang na. Oh. Oh.
Iman mo, sana. Please lang.
Hindi ko mapindot. Next year, priority na tayo. Dito ka na maglagay nga. Umiyak. Damn! Ikot-ikot lang, wala nang nailang buwan. Hi everyone! Nandito kami sa somewhere tabing ilog sa Kalawan. And we're just, you know, relaxing. I'm with them! I'm with Ivan, Isa, and Ate. So, dito lang kami para mag-relax. Kasi super nakaka-boring na sa bahay. Like, araw-araw na kaming nakahiga lang ni Ate. Ganun. We have nothing to do. So, for today's video, we're trying out this. We're trying out! We're having some fun. Asan ba kasi? Hi everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa City of Springs since long weekend siya at walang pasok ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then Monday, nandito kami to just relax. Today is Saturday, August 24. And ayun, yung mga kapatid ko is nagsiswim na doon. While ako, nagbabasa lang ako ng readings. Kasi I have to manage my time. Lalo na't medyo mahirap yung mga subjects na kukunin ko this semester. So, Kaya kahit medyo nag-relax tayo ngayon, we still have to juggle up all the happenings. Ayan. Currently in front of a ble, just chilling here, and since it's Friday, ito lang yung vacant ko after my 8 AM class. It's currently 9 AM, and then from 9 AM to 11:30 vacant ko, and then the rest hanggang 5:30 may class na ako na tuloy-tuloy. Happy birthday! Yubi silang po! Kasi kailangan namin ng mga medical examinations for field work. Tapos guys, super bare ng effort ko sa tema. Kasi kailangan walang mga accessories kapag magpapa-x-ray. So, then, ang hirap tanggalin yung date ko. But, yung date ko super challenging. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. life happening.
Okay.
Hi vlog!
Eh, mag-upload ka? Hello po. I'm very, very grateful to have Nina in my life.
Try nyo. Ha? Di na kami sir yung sasay. Paano?
Lakas na loob ang puhunan, kalaban pa ang oras, sumasabay sa bawat pagkumpay. Hi everyone, I'm with Kilom. And we're buying some ice cream. Uy, napasama na tayo sa training na. I will pay myself. I will time stamp myself. Wait, okay, subscribe. Say hi. What's that? Melona, 35 pesos. What's that? Samangko, 60 pesos. Wait, mama, I don't know how much. Ano yan? Yummy samgyup. Wow! Ang nice naman na.
Yummy daw.
Wait lang man ang instructions.
Guys, welcome back sa mga chismis at chika ka buhay. I did that man. Yeah. That's what I need. For card spread. Situation, obstacle, action, recommendation.
Okay.
Ikaw wala mag-choose.
Random.
Tapos nakaharap sa'yo. So, ang situation mo right now, you're... Ano? Bakit ba na? Sunod mo, obstacle. Action recommended. Action recommended.
My ears. Open my ears.
Maganda kasi to.
We're so happy to be celebrating this very special night with you all. Okay ba kayo dyan?